If you're new to owning a Chrysler, or perhaps you've owned a Chrysler vehicle for quite a while, and that analog dash clock has never been right. Seems kind of irritating. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust that analog clock and get it set to your correct time. I'm showing the demonstration using this Chrysler 200. Now, Chrysler really hasn't changed anything with that analog clock for a lot of years, so this is going to be applicable to several different Chryslers. So let's jump inside and set this clock. So the clock placement on this 200 is right above the radio. Now it is in a little bit different locations depending on the Chrysler product. Now the main reason why people don't set these is they have no idea how to set it. If you're looking at this clock, you don't see any buttons. People actually think they can disconnect their battery and hook the battery back up according to get the time set right. Here's all you need to do. You can't hardly see it, but it's right here in the 9 o'clock position. So if you push it down once, you see how it moves a little bit at a time. But you can hold it down, and now it's going to spin pretty fast, and it only goes forward. It cannot reverse. So once you get close to the correct time, simply just push down. Got it set to 11:15, and now we're good to go. And it's as simple as that, guys. Hope this video helps you out, and thanks for watching.